Hi everyone! In today's video we are going to download and open the software Openshot Video Editor. Openshot Video Editor is a free, open source and cross-platform video editing software available for Linux, Mac OS, Windows and even Chrome OS. And it is designed to be accessible to users of all levels. The program is built on an intuitive editing system based on a non-linear timeline, which allows us to smoothly work across multiple video, audio and image tracks, just like it's shown in this image. Browsing on the web, we can see different images that show us examples of how to work on Openshot, like this one that shows us the use of different timelines at the same time. There are many other images that show us different kinds of work inside the program, like this one, or even this one right here. We can see from the images how intuitive and easy the interface results. An Openshot video editor is famous for being an easy and user-friendly program. But how do we download and obtain the program? It's simple. Since we said it's open source and free, we can easily download the Openshot from its official website, which is openshot.org. This is our website. Now we are in the home page of the website, and we can immediately notice that it offers us to download the program right here on the download button. But we are not going to do it right now, because if we scroll down, we can see how the website offers us a description of the different features of the program Openshot. For example, among the features we have the cross-platform, as said before, trim and slice, because the program also facilitates different video editing operations, just like trimming or slicing the video or audio track, or even applying transitions or video effects, and so on. Also, this program is available in more than 70 languages and has a really simple user interface. Also, the website offers us a small descriptive video about the program. Going back to the initial part of the home page, we are now ready to download our program right here. This is the window that will be opened once we enter the downloading operation. In here, the website shows us that this program is available for different operating systems, just like I said before, as Linux, Chrome OS, Windows and so on. Also, the website offers us daily builds that can be useful for new updates when we need them. Now, if we need a different download, we can just click on one of these icons right here on the bottom, but as I am using Windows, I'm keeping the Windows setting. And I'm going to click here on download. Let's wait for the download to be completed. Now that the download is completed, we can find the program in our documents, particularly in the download section of our documents. Right here we have the icon of our program. If we click on it, we will be able to install it by following the further procedure. First of all, we are asked to choose a language. We're going to choose English, of course. Now the program asks us to read and accept the license agreement. If we do not accept the agreement, we will not be able to download the program. So let's flag I accept the agreement and go on to the next. Now Openshot Video Editor is showing us the folder in which it will be installed. We can either browse in different folders we already have if we want to download this program in a different folder, or we can change the name of the folder. Right now I'm going to keep it just as it is and go on to the next. Here we have the opportunity to create a desktop shortcut, which is really useful right now for us to go back to our desktop and open the program. So yes, I'm going to flag create a desktop shortcut. Next again, this is the last step. If we are ready, we can install the program. If we are not, we can just go back and change some settings if we changed our mind on some settings we clicked on before. We are sure, so we install the program. Now we wait for the program to be completely installed. Now that the setup has finished installing our program, we can click here on Finish and go to our desktop and open the program from the icon of our desktop. So Finish, and let's go back to our desktop. Right here there's our desktop shortcut. If we click on it, we are going to launch the program. And this is our program. Now if we expand it, we can see the interface of the program in its entirety. Since this is the first time we open this program, Openshot Video Editor offers us a small tutorial that we can choose to follow. So next, the use of this tutorial is to show us the role of the different areas in this really easy interface. For example, here, project files. We get started with our project by opening here the files. Next, this is the timeline, or better, these are the timelines in which we can insert different tracks. Right now we have 5 tracks. Right here we have the video preview that allows us to watch the video as we are working on it on the timeline. And next, as we are finished with our editing, with our project, we can export the video or save the project. As we can see, we already have a small toolbar of easy commands right here on the left, another toolbar with general settings right here. As we can see, Openshot Video Editor is a simple yet effective software for those who are new to the world of video editing, thanks to its user-friendly interface and simplified editing processes. At the same time, it offers sufficiently powerful tools to create professional video productions, event recordings, or even creative and experimental projects. Openshot Video Editor has the ability to handle complex projects and has an extensive official documentation available online in the main website. These reasons make this program a solid choice for both personal use and educational or professional environments. That's all for today's video. You can support the channel by following and stay tuned for other lessons. See you next video.